Hi, welcome to Math 120. I am Kara-Zoe. You guys can call me Miss M. Today we're going to be looking at Unit 2. This is the front of our D2L page. If you come here, you'll be able to see any announcements I have posted regarding our class. Come over here, hit Content. Right here where it says Instructor Information, go to that. And you will see how to contact me. This is my name. Here is my email. You can call me at this number. If I am there at my desk, I will certainly answer the phone and talk to you. Although I do want to tell you that email is the very best way to contact me, and you will get a response within 24 hours if you send me an email. Other than that, my office hours are posted. You can always come in and see me during my office hours. If you need to see me in person and you cannot make an office hour, if you contact me through email or if you manage to get me on the phone, we can set up a time that is convenient for you. So come back here to content again and come down here. This is our course communication plan. It tells you a little bit about how I will communicate with you throughout the course. Everyone, you guys can take your time, read this at your leisure, but I do want to tell you that everybody should be signed up for Dell Tech alerts. In the event of some sort of weather emergency or something else, you will get a text that lets you know class is canceled or if there's a delayed start, something like that. Okay, go back here. If you click on Syllabus, Schedule, and Policies, you will see our syllabus for Math 120. Click right on that, and you can read this syllabus. So this is the current syllabus from the department here at Dell Tech, and it tells you all about the different skills you will learn in this class that will be measured on your assessments. It tells you here what the grading scale is. If you ever want to know, if you have an 84, you don't know what grade that is, you look here in the syllabus, it'll tell you that's a B. Go back here again to content. Let's look at some more things. Actually, let's go back to syllabus, schedule, and policies. You can look here at the course policies. And that's right here. Click on that, and it will take you to a write-up of our course policies. And you can read through all of that. This is one of the most interesting things to students. I do want to tell you about this. Our tests are worth 50% of your grade. We have various projects that you will complete throughout this course. They're worth 25% of your grade. So right there, tests and projects, that's 75% of your grade. Homework is 10% of your grade. You have an unlimited amount of tries on each homework question, so you can really bring that homework average up to a 100. That can help your grade, and it also gives you valuable practice that you will need as you gain mastery in these mathematics skills. Quizzes are 5% of your grade. Quizzes will be completed on MyLabs Plus. I'll talk to you about MyLabs Plus in a second. And then activities, which are things you will do during the face-to-face portion of this class. Typically, that's what an activity will be. That's worth 10% of your grade as well. So as we already talked about, 92 to 100 is an A, 83 to 91 is a B, 75 to 82 is a C, 0 to 74 that is failing the course. If you just stop attending, you get a U grade. That's the worst thing you can do. Even if you feel like you are not doing well in the course, you are not doing well in tests, keep logging in to D2L, keep coming to the face-to-face portion, keep communicating with me. Even if you feel like you're not going to do well, the worst thing you can do is to just not come and get that U. You don't want to do that. All right. So let's go back here again. So if we look here at Unit 2, here are the videos that you should be watching. So you will click on this. you will watch a video. You should treat these videos the same way you treat coming to class. You should have blank paper to write on, and you should have something to write with, pen or pencil, and take notes during the video. So watch the video all the way through. If you have questions while you are watching the video, jot the question down. Solve the problems at the same time the problem is being solved on screen. Write it down. That's the best way to learn math. There is a hand-to-brain connection, so you want to be always writing while you are watching these videos. When you are done watching the video, each of these is just a couple minutes long. They're not that long. When you are done watching the video, look at your question, see if it was answered before the end of the video. Watch the video again. If your question is still not answered, you can contact me. I will certainly do my best to clarify things. Bring your questions to the face-to-face portion of the class. That's more for answering questions and doing activities because you're watching these videos outside of the classroom. So that's where all the videos are found, right here under Unit 2 videos. If you click on here, you will see here I have posted some of our formative assignments. So click on any of these and you will see you get practice doing these various skills that you'll be learning in Unit 2 in this class. So you would do this in class, probably in a group, so you get to talk with your peers, and then I would collect this, look at this. This is going to be an activity grade. You will get it back, and you will get feedback, what you did right, what you maybe could have done better, where you need some help, and you will get a chance to fix all that before an exam. Come back here to table of contents. If you click on this, this is a link to MyLabs. MyLabs Plus is the website that you will use to complete and to submit your homework. It will also be used for quizzes. So homework and quizzes will have due dates, so you want to check those, make sure you're getting them done by their due date. For quizzes, you will get 2 attempts at every quiz. I will only take the higher attempt. So if you take your quiz, you get an 85, you think I could have done better, go ahead, take it again. Even if you only get an 80 the second time, that 85 is what will show up in D2L in your quiz grade column. When you are signing on to MyLabs, your username is the same as your Del Tech username. It's whatever comes before the @ in your email address. And then your password is going to be the same password that you had before if you had a MyLabs account. If you have never had a MyLabs account before, this is your password. It's math student, lowercase, all one word. So that is my tour of Unit 2 here on D2L for Math 120. If you have any questions, you can just click on that instructor information, get my phone number, my email, and you can contact me. Thanks a lot.